Okay, Nancy and Sean, this is how you do red lines in a Word document. First, open the document, then go to the top line where it says Review, click on that, and then go over to Track Changes. It should all work from there. Start by the first thing, change the date here to the 28th. You can see it fills in the red line. Over on the right side, it gives you a comment of what was done. So then you go down here, and let's say you want to save the change the price to $39. You just type that in there, make whatever changes. Let's say this is 2 months rent, whatever you want to change, you got it. If you want to strike out a whole paragraph, you go back to the home button, select this little thing here, the A, B, C that's got a strikeout, and do that. I'm sorry, and then hit the strikeout. It'll just cross the line out, and on the right hand side it gives you a comment, and then you just save the changes. Just hit File, Save. If you're done with the changes and you want to make a red line document a clean document, go back to the Review button, go back to the Accept button over the little arrow on the side and say Accept all changes and stop tracking, and now you have a clean document. Everything you want in there. Don't know what happened to the logo. There we go. So now you have a clean document. Save that, and you can send that. And if you're not sure how to do this, save this recording like I showed you in the other video to your notepad, which is this little yellow thing down here at the bottom. Save it as a note, and then you can always watch this video if you're not sure what to do.